Alright, geographers, this is my moment of serenity here at Lake St. Mary on the eastern side of Glacier National Park, and I am facing the sun, so it's a little squinty for me, but if I turn it the other way you would be blinded by the sun. But I kind of want to show you this absolutely gorgeous footage that I am looking at, and I will try to splice some into this, but doing a quick shot right now. Yeah. So if you haven't been blinded by that sun, this is definitely a special place. So I will be talking about it more in detail later and giving you some resources for how you can visit this place. I was really surprised how many people come here. I guess I've been trying to get here for over 20 years and finally I'm here. But there's the airplane was huge coming in. I thought it would be a tiny little plane, but it was just as big as anything that flies into DC or any other big city. And I can see why everybody wants to come here. It's so big that everybody kind of spread out, but a lot of the main parks and points were too full today. So unfortunately for me, I did not get to stop at Logan Pass or St. Mary's Falls or some of the other more popular attractions kind of in the middle of the park. But I don't know, I'm pretty happy right here, I gotta tell you. Yeah, give me a lake and some nice sun and a cool breeze. That's all I need. So I'm going to head out pretty soon and go down to East Glacier Village to check into my hostel where I'm gonna chill for the evening and hopefully get some sleep. So we'll catch you later. Thanks for hanging. Bye.